Hey guys, it's Melanie. Today's video, a good one, I'm telling you. This is probably one of my fave videos so far. I know I say that quite a bit, but I really like how this video turned out, okay? Well, actually, I haven't edited it yet, so I can't really say, but from how this week went, I thought it was pretty fun. Not too long ago, I did a video where I let my mom pick out my outfits for the week, and you guys really enjoyed that. I also really enjoyed it, and my mom had a lot of fun doing it. So I was like, who else would you want to see pick out my outfits? In the comments, a lot of people said that I should let like my dad. I didn't want to like jump right in there. I was kind of scared. I don't know if my dad would do that by himself because he's not a super camera ready person. I don't know. So I was like, okay, we're gonna segue into this and I'm gonna have my parents choose it together because, you know, like they're funny together. I was like, yeah, it'll be entertaining. So that's what I did this week. I let my parents pick out my outfits for the school week. So I wore these outfits to school, to work and stuff. You guys want to see how this week went and the outfits they picked out, just keep watching. Hi guys. No. Not doing so well right now. Looking not cute. It is Sunday evening. Right now my parents are getting tacos or something together. I don't know. They're not home. I've decided that they're gonna pick my outfits for me this week. I'm really scared. A lot of people commented that they wanted to see my dad pick my outfits, but my dad is like not your typical dad. He's no fashionista. Love you, Dad, if you're watching this. He doesn't watch my videos. He doesn't understand how YouTube works. So I'm gonna ask like both of them to come in together and pick them. Hopefully this works out. My fear is that my mom's gonna do all of it and my dad's gonna just sit there because I'm gonna force him to do it. He might just say no or something. I think I can convince him, you know? I'm really nervous. Also, this week is supposed to be really sunny and nice, so I wanted to dress really cute, but then I was like, look cute, have a good video go up. You can't have everything you want. See you once my parents get home and I'll surprise them with the glorious news that they get to dress me for a week. My parents just got home. I'm gonna go force them to come into my room. I'm also really scared because my dad's never seen my closet. He's like one of those guys. He owns like one t-shirt, a pair of shorts, so I'm really scared he's gonna see my closet. He's just gonna roast me on it and say I spend all my money on clothes, which I mean isn't completely inaccurate, but basically I'm just gonna get yelled at. Hello?
Do you wanna
What? Can you and Dad come to my room?
I'm gonna go get my parents.
Dad, can you come to my room, please? College. You guys are gonna pick out my outfits for this week.
You should just get him to do it.
No, because Dad won't do it by himself, so I need you guys to work together.
Why would I do that?
Please, Dad, please.
What's your college thing?
No, I was pranking you to get you up here. Here's how it's gonna work out, Dad, because I know you don't watch my videos.
So we're going through your drawers and picking out clothes?
Yeah, it's gonna be fun.
So I'm mainly here for support.
No, you guys do it together. It's parents pick out my outfit. So you guys work together. Dad, stop. Don't look at my closet right there. Mom, you can explain how it works.
So pick out a top.
We're doing it now?
Yeah.
Where's your shorts?
Shopping.
Athletic shorts and get that Nike Jetta t-shirt I got you.
What? No, you have to find
No,
stuff.
I'm looking for your Nike Jetta t-shirt.
No.
I got you in Saudi Arabia.
That's in the summer bin. This is all color coordinated. Oh my
I don't want you to
god.
wear it. I want you to wear like a gym
What about
shorts.
like a, okay.
Gym shorts and a t-shirt. Find me a gym short.
No, it's my parents pick my
I
outfit.
am. Point to where the gym shorts are. Oh my god. Where's those shorts?
Cause you're looking at the.
This one?
Yeah, those.
Oh,
I'm a small person, man.
this is a shorts?
Yeah.
Like basketball shorts.
I got rid of my basketball shorts when I stopped playing basketball.
Okay, this one.
Those ones, okay.
Oh my god, this is how you fold your t-shirts?
Yeah, isn't it so nice?
Colorado, Maine?
Mariners.
Oh.
Oh my goodness.
Okay.
My mom's not really doing anything, but oh gosh. And then you have to pick out shoes.
My god, you got so many shoes.
Dude, you see these every day.
This one.
Okay, thanks, Dad. Good job. Okay, so this is probably the ugliest thing ever. I wouldn't even wear this to the gym because it doesn't match. I'm kind of mad at my mom. Like, why didn't she help him? Come on, woman. You guys are married. Work together. Like, my mom has better style than that. Like, help me out here. Good morning, guys. It's Monday. I'm feeling quite ugly right now. Well, not ugly, but just kind of stupid. Really not a fan of this. I would give this outfit like a 3 out of 10. I don't like this. It bothers me how it doesn't match at all. But I will show my parents this outfit. My mom, I guarantee she's just gonna laugh at me. My dad's probably gonna be like, "Oh, you look good." Good morning, family. Hi, Dad. What do you think about the outfit you picked out?
You need basketball shorts.
Dad, I don't have basketball shorts. What rate would you give this outfit that you picked out?
Perfect. 9.
9? 9 out of what? 9 out of 100?
10. If you have the basketball shorts in it.
Mom, what do you think of my outfit?
It's really cute.
What would you rate this outfit out of 10?
Well, you know, it's pretty good. It's like an 8 because if you were going out to do athletic stuff.
Good morning, guys. When I woke up, my mom's not home. I have no clue where she is. My dad's here. He's skipping work because he has allergies. I didn't know you could do that. I have to go to school in like 30 minutes.
Oh my gosh, okay.
My dad is protesting. He won't come. Kinda rude. Oh my god, they're together.
That hair. Look at this hair.
What do you want to do, Dad?
Basketball shorts. Where's your basketball
I
shorts?
don't have basketball shorts.
I don't pick up the shorts and you pick up the top.
Do you see the weather? It's kind of cold.
Oh, it's gonna be 7. Well, I don't know if you're gonna go out now.
Well, yeah, I am. I'm going to school.
This is gonna be so funny.
Mom, please.
Hey, where's your capris? Or where's your yoga shorts or something like that?
What? To the left of where the shorts? No.
Black leggings.
Awesome.
Lululemon.
Oh, yeah.
Do you want to go get her some shoes?
Those same ones I picked yesterday, those white Nikes.
Great. Love that.
I don't have 25 pairs of shoes to choose from, so I don't have that problem.
I feel attacked right now. Do you
As
feel
well as you should.
Okay.
I can see
Yeah.
all the dust on your mantle, but you'll take care of that when you do your monthly chores, right?
Of course.
Right here, big M.
Oh, great.
Here, sporty today.
Look at this hair.
I'm sorry. I can't control it, man. That one?
Yeah, you're very casual today.
Hey guys, my hair is mega greasy, so I put it in this super high ponytail and it feels like I just got a facelift. Here is my outfit for today. It's a step up from yesterday. This top thrifted not too long ago. Just some Lululemon Aligns and then the same Nike shoes. I also have the zip up hoodie. Yay. Okay, what do you guys think?
Very adorable. Yes, good job.
What rate do you guys give this?
10.
What do you think, Dad?
I think the pants are a 10.
Pants are 10. Cool.
No, I think you look adorable. Sporty and yeah.
I would give this outfit a 6.
What? 6?
It's better than yesterday.
Why only a 6?
Because I wouldn't wear this to like school
School.
or I care.
Who cares?
Okay. My dad already went to work, so today my mom's just gonna pick out my outfit. So hopefully I'll look a little better.
It's casual.
Cool.
That's cute.
What?
You made a sound. You went, eh. Let me see. I'll just think about it. I don't get it. Like, I don't get how you dress.
You see me every day.
I know, but I don't know what you have for options.
What? Bro, what are you doing? Okay.
I'll go like this, and you can wear Birkenstock.
Alright guys, so here is the outfit my mom picked out for me. So this top is from Brandy Melville. Underneath that, I'm just wearing a white bralette, and then I'm also wearing this little necklace. And then I'm wearing my PacSun mom jeans. I'm also wearing my Pandora bracelet and just a white scrunchie. I really like this outfit, and this is something I would definitely pick for myself. As you can see, there is a very big difference between my mom and my dad's style. I'll go show my mom some shoes and then see what she thinks. So you said either brown. What do you think of the outfit?
Yeah, you're so cute.
Thanks.
And
So
either of the shoes looks fine. I can't really pick. Let's see what the white ones look like. Oh, those are kind of cute. Oh, maybe go with the white.
go with the way.
Yeah, it's cute.
Oh cool, those are the ones I would have picked.
All right.
What do you give this outfit?
Well, for you, it's like a 8 or a 9. I couldn't wear that.
Well, I mean, that's not the challenge. Dress me like you.
Oh, on
could
you,
do that.
that's really cute. Like a 8 or 9, honey.
Really?
Yeah.
And you gave the first day a 10?
Well,
I gave this a 10.
oh yay. Okay, well I'm so off. I don't know.
That's okay. Thanks. Bye, Mom.
Bye, love you. Have a nice day.
You too. Hi, guys. My mom's picking out my outfit again today because my dad already went to work. Mom's over here. What are you thinking for today, Mom?
Well, you're gonna go to a Hillsong concert tonight, so I want you to be comfortable again.
I think you say that. You always want me to be comfortable.
Try to think about what goes on in your day to help you pick your outfit.
Very thoughtful. Dad doesn't think about what's going on in my day.
No, he doesn't. I'm just going with this really simple top. And then, do you have a, well, I'll go with the skinnies. and just some brown Birkenstock.
Do you want to choose accessories?
Yeah, what do you got? What do you have in the way of silver?
Other one I have.
Oh, so cute. Either one, this one or this one.
You choose. What?
Okay, I'll go with just go with the plain white.
Okay. Hi guys. I am so sad that I have to wear skinny jeans. Oh my gosh, I'm not flipping you off. Sorry. This is a very, very simple outfit. I would give this outfit maybe a 7 or an 8 just because when I wear this top, I like to wear it with mom jeans or something. I don't know. I'm not a skinny jeans kind of gal. They're kind of uncomfortable. Top is from Target. I also have this cross necklace. I have a white scrunchy, skinny, light wash jeans from Garage. Better than what my dad would have picked. Hello. What do you think?
It's nice. Oh, I love it, but it's a little bit too skimpy maybe.
I mean...
What do I do? Shoes, you can wear the brown bird. This and you raise your hands up. Oh, you got nice abs. Just put a jacket on. It doesn't have to be like frumpy or anything.
So these?
Yeah. Okay, thanks.
Love you, bye. Thank God, it's the last day of this. My parents are coming upstairs right now. My dad literally came downstairs and he was like,
"Come on, Melanie, we're gonna pick out your outfit."
and I was like, ready?
Where's your athletic section?
My entire closet.
I was gonna pick dressy today.
No. Ooh, see, something that has a college on it.
I have, oh my goodness. This, which is UW.
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
You don't want to see anything else?
Okay, what else?
Have-
This is kind of warm for today. If you dress in layers, you wear this over a t-shirt.
Girls don't wear hoodies over t-shirts.
Why is everything white?
I just like white stuff, man. Where did all my college stuff go?
I want you to wear your sassy tee.
I don't have that.
Use it to wrap fish, Mariners, ooh, Carolina.
Right now. Okay.
And shorts.
You want me to wear shorts to work?
Oh, you can't? Okay. Where's your pants?
Over there where they were last time.
On the bottom?
Yes.
Okay, I would have picked a dressy outfit.
Okay, then help
You can
him.
pick hers for tomorrow.
Today's the last day.
Yeah, I can't do a whole 7 days.
Good job, you're done. Hey, do you have any accessories? I'm going to go with these.
These?
Just kidding.
Okay. Yeah.
I'll just go with your band.
Okay, bye.
Accessories.
Okay. Mom wants
The right color scrunchie.
you mocking me.
A navy one, and then I want you to wear this necklace. Just don't lose it.
How the
Little rings.
She came back for rings.
Because I didn't pick rings yesterday.
Nicer.
Rings can you wear?
As many as you want me to. Got a lot of fingers.
I know, but where did it? Do you put like? Oh, put two on like one.
What's this called? Pointer finger and my thumb can usually wear stuff because they're fatter, and then my rings fall off of these 3 fingers. So I can only have like 4 fingers.
That's what I picked.
Let's get ready. So excited to dress myself after this. Ooh, love this angle. Hey folks, this is the outfit my parents picked out kind of together. Overall, I think this outfit is pretty cute. I would have done something similar but changed a few things. Nonetheless, I would totally wear this outfit. I actually really like it. So I think I'll give this outfit a 9. This top, thrifted it. Lulu leggings. Shoes are just slip-on white Vans. And then for the accessories, my mom picked out my Tiffany necklace, and then I also layered this chain one just to pizzazz a little bit. I'm wearing this navy scrunchie. Love the matching, real cute. I have this star ring, this little knot ring, and then this pearl ring. Alrighty, here's the outfit. What do you think?
Lovely.
Do I look like an athlete?
Yeah, next time, the Nike Jetta shirt.
Yeah. What would you rate this outfit?
Yeah, because I chose it.
Yeah, alright. What do you think, Mom?
Oh, you look cute. Yeah.
You like how you accessorize? What would you give it?
I mean, it's good for like an athletic look, so it's like an 8.
How do you think you guys did this week? You guys did pretty good.
Do we?
Pretty good. How do you think you did this week, Dad?
How I think I did in my choice of clothes.
Yeah.
I don't want to encourage you to buy more clothes, but you need basketball shorts, athletic. Oh, you have a collared shirt, polo shirt?
Okay, bye!
Are you leaving?
No, I'm saying bye to my video. They like this video.
I like this video.
No, tell them to like this video.
Please like this video.
How many likes do you want?
10 trillion.
And subscribe.
Okay, bye guys!